Okay, got the bell housing on. Remember that I have to replace a new oil seal and make sure the thrust washer is facing in the right orientation, cup side towards the bearing. Now, this gear cluster is reverse and fifth. It's a bit of a chore to get the shift fork in there. All the stuff has to come off. It's got to be raised to get the shift fork in. So what you have to do, you have to take everything off. All the stuff has to come off. It's a pain in the ass, but it has to come off. There we go. We lift that. Okay, we drop that, no problem. Take that out, that gear. This gear cluster off. Shift fork comes out, and this is the slider for fifth gear. Of course it came off. Why? Because it's not sitting on the key there, it's sitting on the key. Rotate it, and there you got, and now it's in, basically that would be in reverse. If it was engaging, it would be in reverse. Now, to get this in, there's a brand new shift fork. You can see it's a difficult chore to get in because of this shaft is in the way. I find it difficult to get on this side because the shift forks are in for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excuse me. So what you need to do, you need to raise everything. Right, you have to raise everything. You know what? It's a bit of a pain. It's becoming a pain. Let me get this stand down into place. Lift this right up. Slide the shift fork in. Doesn't matter at this point what's happening. So lift it. Start this. Gear cluster. Drop this down carefully. Make sure it's the right orientation. And all of this should fit together. Okay, now you've got it on. Make sure now you push everything into place. Okay, we're at this point, and guess what? It fell right into place for the first time. Shift fork is in. See? Now what you need to do is, of course, is put the shift shaft in. Put the shift shaft in. Remember to put in the short D-dent. I guess it's a pin, I guess you'd call it, or dowel, whatever. Make sure that's in and slide it in the case. Then slide the shift shaft in, and then attach it to the shift fork. And then what you have to do, of course, is the springs and the D-dent balls, which are on this side here, and I'll show that after. Anyway, so that's how you do this. At first it was a pain in the butt, but you know, after a couple of tries, I got it done. Okay, until the next video, hang in there.